Let's take one more exercise in SolidWorks, and we will create this simple petal shaped plate with the help of a surface feature. See, this is a kind of plate, petal shape. We will create each and every first plate, then we will use circular pattern, and we will use some intersect tool. You will learn some advanced tool here. So okay, let's start. First we will make one leaf first. So for that we have to create some geometry. So let's start with top plane, sketch, center line. Okay, make sure this one horizontal. Now here I am going to choose 3 center point arc. The first point is center, second point is this one, third point place somewhere here, right click, exit. Now select these 2 points, hold shift key and see the option merge result. Smart dimension, angle. Let's define this angle 110 degree and radius 30 millimeter. Okay, now this is one side, exit. Now go to front plane, sketch. Now here I am going to select 3-point arc. Let me create some arc like this. First point, second point, third point. Okay. Now activate here spline. Connect 1, 2, exit. Okay, select this point, tangent. Okay, then one more relation, make this one upper side. Select this one, horizontal. Now I'm going to select this point and some origin point, horizontal. Fine. Select this point and this point, hold shift key, coincide. Normal view. Okay, now here make important point. Click this point and see this option, add equal curvature. Select this one. Now both side curve as equal relations. Smart dimension. $20, $50. Let me select this vertical 6. Okay. We have almost done. Okay, this radius 25. Now look, this drawing seems fully defined. Okay. No need to define spline and everything. Oh, that's fine. Exit. Now this is one side of leaf. See. Now we have to create this side also. So go to plane, select this curve and end point. Now create one perpendicular plane on this curve. Select the plane one, sketch. Now here also create, let's create here 3-point arc. Now first point here, second point somewhere here, third point somewhere here. First I am going to correct this so that our geometry move in perfect direction. These 2 points coincide. Normal view. Select the center point of circle and this point. Okay. Now drag this point inside. Curve. Spline. First point, second point, right click, exit. Now select this point, tangent and equal curvature. Okay. Now select this one and see this. Select drag handle, horizontal. Smart dimension. Okay, let's define this first. 25. Now this point from here 20. Okay. Now this end point to this curvature point 50. Then height from this curvature point 12. And let's apply this drag handle length 60. Now look, it seems fully defined this sketch. Simply exit. Click and hide this plane. See? Now we have to close from top. So drop down plane. Now in plane, this is first point, second point. See these 2 points. Third reference, you have to choose plane. Front plane. Now front plane is perpendicular. Now you will see the preview. Front plane perpendicular to this plane. Say OK. Now activate plane 2, sketch. Here choose 3-point arc. First point, second point, third point. We can directly define this radius 90. Exit. Hide plane. See, we have one leaf shape. Simply go to surface, lifted surface. Now here you have to choose profile or edge. So I'm going to select this curve and this curve. See both moving. For guide, select this upper one and lower one. No need to define anything else. Simply say OK. Okay, let me select some color so that it looks more practical. Okay. Now we need to trim this. So we will use spline tool. Top plane, center line, draw one line and connect this curve. Dimension 50 degree. Let me activate spline. Oh, no, 50 degree 50. Again spline. Now first point, let's say here, second point, third point, and fourth point connect. Right click, exit. Again choose spline. Now this is the first point. Select second point and place somewhere here the third point, fourth point, and connect this fifth point. Smart dimension. End to end point define 5 mm. Whatever point you can just see the procedure how we are doing. 5. Okay. Select this curve and this edge tangent. Now again select this curve and line tangent. Okay, let me drag little inside so make it seems look more practical. Okay. Okay, this is the spline shape we need. So I'm not going to define fully because too many points are here. So simply exit. Now go to surface, trim surface. I want to remove some unnecessary. Trim type is standard. Now see sketch selected. Here select remove selection. Activate this, keep cursor here and select this outer edge. Select this outer edge. These two going to split naturally. Say OK. And see those are trimmed. And you will see the preview. Shape and leaf, petal leaf, thickness. I am going to define 2 mm. Select this face. Make thickness downward side 2 mm. Okay. Okay. Now let's see the color. Just to okay, fillet. constant type fillet, radius 2 millimeter, symmetric. Select the edge of this. Okay. Again, I am going to choose fillet, radius 1 millimeter, and select the corners of fillet. See these corners, leave 1 millimeter, so that you will get a kind of circular shape. See. Okay. Now we need multiple number of patterns. So let me create axis. Drop down axis. First point, origin, because origin located at center of body. Then second point is top plane. Now you will see one yellow color line. Say okay. Circular pattern. Axis selected. Equal space 369 number of petal leaf we need. Choose here body. Select this body and see the preview. Say yes. Now if you see here, we have 5 body, but see there is an intersection curve. See, this is unnecessary line, leaves come out, so we have to remove this. Let me hide this axis. Now I want to remove these unnecessary shapes in this body. Okay, let me do one thing. Let me change edit thickness. Add thickness upper side. Okay, so it looks more visible or more practical. Okay, now let's go to insert, feature, and here choose intersect tool. Now here here you can select plane, body or surface. So I'm going to select these bodies. Now if you drop down here, see we have 5 bodies. Now here I want to create both. Then later we will select which one I want to delete. So here select both body, intersect. It will take time. Now you will see here. Now here see preview option. One is show included region, excluded region, or show both. Now which part you want to delete, simply select. See this petal, this side I am going to select. Second, third, fourth, fifth. See these things going to remove, and come down here, and here choose invert. If you select the other part, going to remove. Merge result. Here we have 5 body, merge result. Let me say okay. Now it will merge all the body and make one body. See here, it's become one body, but body is uneven. So let me choose top plane, sketch, activate circle. Now I am going to choose here hidden line. Now make this one 60. Okay, because outer diameter 60. Now activate extruded boss base. Now keep here blind, depth make 2 millimeter inside. Say okay. And we will see anything back we can. Okay, we don't need to define anything here because this shape are perfect from back side. Okay, now choose fillet, 2 millimeter constant type, select this face. Okay, again choose fillet, go reverse and select these edges. There are total 5 edges you have to choose. Select the 5th one, and you will see the preview. The inside edge also going to say okay. Now here we done our job. See, petal shape plate with the help of surface feature. Don't forget to share and like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.